In today's very special episode, I talk all about my next new soap and open some very special packages sent by viewers. I show a quick sneak peek behind the scenes of making a short and then do a Dollarama haul for some soap studio business supplies. All of that and more in the day in the life of a soap business owner. Good morning, everybody. Today is going to be an interesting day. We have a lot planned. Let's start the day. Heading down to the studio to see what Kayla's up to. Hello.
Hey.
Are these all the orders we have to get out? Let me turn that light on.
Yes, these are the Patreon golden bubbles right here, and then these are the ones from our Shopify and Etsy over here.
So Kale has to make lip balms, and he has everything laid out here. One of my to-dos is to film it for a short/TikTok video, which, by the way, I posted 4 of those now, and they seem to be doing pretty good. So let's keep the ball rolling. We'll show you the behind the scenes of how we film one of those videos right here. So we have the phone set up here, and you can see it's angled perfectly so that we get all the action, and Kale's gonna start dumping ingredients in. So hold on a second, let me just position this so I can press start on that. And we're just gonna be taking quick shots of all of the ingredients going into that measuring cup. So I know on my project board I had put on there a Stars and Moon soap, but I saw a trailer for the movie Megan. I love dolls, I love horror movies, so I thought it'd be fun to make a soap inspired by this killer doll. So that's the first step in soap design, is finding that inspiration. Megan's color palette is really interesting. There's a lot of pinky beige colors with her, as well as this gorgeous navy blue bow that just pops right out to you when you look at her. So we've got pink, beige, navy blue, and maybe some gold or yellow for her hair. It's not your traditional soap color palette, but that's what I like about it. And when it comes to how all of those colors are gonna come together, I was thinking the main body of the soap could be that pinky beige color, and then we'll have the dark blue, the dark navy blue as one of the swirls in the middle, and maybe some white or red in there too, I'm not sure yet. And then the top of it will be a yellow or a gold. Maybe have some glitter at the top as well. We'll see. Now, when it comes to the scent of the soap, when I think dolls, I think sweet, I think candy, maybe fruity. So I think I'm gonna pick out a fragrance oil that's fruity, has a bit of that candy element in it, and is pretty sweet. So now that the design is in my head, I'm gonna commit to making the soap by putting it in my calendar. I had another soap, like I mentioned, the Stars and Moon soap, but I think I'm gonna do this instead, because once I get an idea in my brain, it's like a worm. I can't get it out until I've done it. So I'm going to just switch things around in my calendar so that we can have this done by this week. And my hope is that I'm able to launch the soap by February. Usually when I release a new soap, I want something interesting about it that makes people that buy from me regularly want to buy it, and perhaps people who don't really buy from me regularly, they're intrigued enough by the idea to make that purchase. So at some point, I'll probably add an ingredient that's different from what I usually do as my marketing selling point, in addition to the fact that it's a soap inspired by the movie Megan. Planning. I also got these packages from some of my viewers, and I'm going to open them in front of the camera. I already opened one, but I'll show you what it was. So the first package is from a patron, and she has been a patron for a while. I love all of my patrons, but her in particular, her messages have been so encouraging. She's given me some of the best advice, and I just adore her. Thank you so much for sending this. And it came in this beautiful purple bag. Oh, so sweet. I should start sending gifts in these reusable bags. And she sent these beautiful candle wick trimmers. Kayla and I don't own any candle wick trimmers. We usually just use a pair of scissors to cut the wicks, but these, oh my gosh, look how gorgeous. These will come in so handy, not only for making our candles, but when we light candles here at home. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Next we have this package. Jerica, thank you for sharing your recipes, business, and vlogs with us. Wishing you a great 2023 from Crystal. I love these. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? Wait. Oh my goodness. She recreated my Pomerango soaps and turned them into earrings. Here is a picture of my Pomerango soap, and here are the earrings. And she also did this, my asymmetrical style that I love. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Wow. Thank you so much, Crystal. I'm gonna put them on right now. I wanted to show a better view of the thing that's dangling from one of the soaps, but it's a little Quench Bear that looks exactly like the bear that I have in my logo. I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna try them on using the viewfinder as my mirror here. These are the most unique earrings I've ever worn. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love this little guy just hanging there. Thank you so much to Crystal and Nady. You guys are just so special to me. If you want a pair of gorgeous earrings like this, made by the wonderful Crystal, her company is called Soul Purpose Market, and she is on Etsy and on Instagram right there. Look at my earrings.
What you got there? Are they soap?
They're soap.
What?
Look at the one that's dangling.
And they're bear bombs.
Yeah, it's from Crystal.
That's right. Oh, she sent something. Yeah.
Tacos of Florida.
My gosh. Like, those look exactly like your soap and like your bear bombs.
I know. They're the exact copy.
It's like the Pomerango soap.
That's what I said. So I don't know how she got the colors exactly, but oh my goodness. What? And I hadn't even put my earrings on today, so it's meant to be. Oh, look at that. Homemade lentil ham soup made by Kale. Looks so good. Yum. So what kind of lip balms are you making anyways?
We are making some peaches and cream, and we are going to make some coconut vanilla.
So we are ready to pour. I need to get some footage of the pour for my short / TikTok. Let's just get these guys poured into their containers over here. So I'm here in my office and I'm going to be putting in an order for soap conference tickets. I'm so excited to be doing this. I wasn't going to, but I was speaking to July, and she owns Winston and Walter, who makes those amazing soap molds that I use in my videos all the time. She's going to be going, and it's in Vancouver, and I'm so close to Vancouver. I thought, why not, right? Let's just do this. This is my job. So I'm gonna buy those tickets for Kale and I to go. And then hopefully I get to meet some amazing people in my industry, meet some of my peers, maybe meet some of you guys. If you guys are going to the HBBG conference in Vancouver, I would love, love, love to meet you guys. So, all right, let's put in that order. So here is the conference 2023 tab, and it's in British Columbia. If I scroll down, I can register, and if I go look, I am a member, so it looks like I can buy this guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So this is how much it's gonna cost for Kale and I to go. I'm gonna click proceed to checkout. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I did it. Oh, I'm so excited. And I can't wait to bring you guys along with me to show you what that's all about, because I'm sure a lot of you are curious as to what kind of stuff is gonna go on. So there's going to be speakers, there's gonna be activities, there's going to be vendors. Oh my gosh, I'm pumped. Last time Kale and I went to Vancouver, we were there for literally a few hours. We were just passing through and there was snow everywhere. So hopefully this time we can at least see a little bit more of Vancouver and just have a fun time. Get to meet some of you guys. I got tickets for the conference. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Woo!
Excited to go.
Are you excited to meet July?
Yeah. Yeah.
Me too. I love her. Nice face creams. They look great.
Thank you.
Kale actually uses this daily, and he loves it. Do you think it makes your skin look good?
Keeps me moisturized.
And for those wondering how those honey oat soaps turned out, here is a bar. Let me get it under some light so you can see. And these will darken a little bit more because there is a lot of vanilla in all of the fragrance oils that I use to make that honey oat blend. When it's not that dark yet, look how pretty. Oh, I love it. These little oats on the top too. And for the Megan soap, I did talk about having the fragrance oil be kind of fruity and sweet, but I also think floral might do really good. And so I have all of these fragrance oils that I need to use. And I was thinking I could pick one of those to be my Megan doll fragrance oil. So there's this one, Garden Party by Brambleberry. Oh no, it says it accelerates in cold process. It's not ideal. You definitely want a fragrance oil that moves a little slower. But I really like that Brambleberry puts that kind of info on their fragrance oils. That's awesome. Oh, I think I have a contender. There is this one. It's called Mayday, also by Brambleberry. And it says it behaves well in cold process. Yes! And it does not discolor in cold process soap. Amazing. Perfect.
Can I smell it?
Okay, before you smell it, I think it smells fruity and floral and bright and bubbly. Oh my god, I think it's perfect. Here. See if you agree that it has doll vibes.
Yeah, I think that's doll vibes.
So I have the colors, I have the fragrance oil, and now all I have to do is to bring it all together. But that's basically how I plan a soap. I get inspired by something, and I usually pick a trend or something that's popular right now, and then I pick a color inspiration, and then I use that to inform me about what type of fragrance oil I should use. Are you excited to see this soap?
Yep. When are you making this?
I think I'm gonna make it tomorrow.
Okay. Yes.
Or Tuesday, I don't know. So Kale's gonna clean up and finish up here, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store and take you guys with us, see what we're gonna get, and then we'll cook dinner.
Grocery store.
Grocery store.
This is the one. I like these.
Yeah. Oh, this little mini spatula set. It's actually kind of cool. Oh, maybe we should get this actually. Never have too many spatulas.
Nope. And we can even bring this upstairs because I don't think we'll use this.
Yeah.
upstairs.
Oh, for sure. We're good for Pyrex, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't need any of these?
Yeah, I want to find another small one with like this small little spout.
Thin spout?
These spouts are all very wide.
Okay. We should get a pair of these for downstairs. I like these yellow ones right here. These are cheerful. Oh, can you help me? You're tie up. Thank you. They match your vest.
There was 2 kids that waved at me in the store.
I
because of
know.
my brand vest.
Yeah, they're usually scared of Kale, but you got a couple of smiles. Kale also needs a notebook and a planner
To stay organized.
to stay organized. Let's see inside that one. Oh, this is good. Just a notebook. Oh, there's bullet journals here. Oh, you have to write in your own days. Oh, they have these kind of planners too. It's nice. Weekday planner. What? Whoa. They also have these kinds of planners. This one, just a plain, straightforward planner. Kale's picking up one of these, right?
Yep.
Yep, one of these. But look at all the stuff you can get at the dollar store to help you organize. This is just amazing. Wow. Very, very cool. And what's that?
This day in history.
And I decided to get this planner so that I can sit up in the office and kind of get a snapshot of the week. Anything else you need?
I think we're good.
So we're home, and I wanted to do a quick Dollarama haul. This is the planner that Kale chose for himself. Very straight to the point, minimalistic, small, lightweight, so that he can carry it around with him. Yeah, I think this is gonna be good. Has a calendar in there. And he also got this big notebook. He really liked the colors. It has tabs for different sections. And then I got this board, a weekly planner board, where I can write down all of our big to-dos, where I can write down the things that we need to get done, the main things broken down in the days. And then I have a little to-do list here, some goals, and some notes. And in our soap studio, we needed a few things as well. We got some sponges from Dollarama. We got some silicone tools. I always love a small silicone tool for making stuff. And I don't have a spatula that's long and thin like this, but this will definitely be useful. And I have spatulas that look like this that I love. Can never have too many of those. But the whisk and this guy I think we're gonna keep up here. We have some spray bottles here. We have another cutting board. And I got some dishwashing gloves for me for when I wash the dishes down there in a nice bright yellow pattern. When I've shown you the Dollarama that's by our house, I've gotten a lot of comments saying how nice it is. And I can confirm, I really like that Dollarama. It has a lot of stuff that the Dollaramas in Ontario didn't have. And it is definitely much cleaner and nicer there. So we're definitely lucky with that. I agree with you guys. Oh, it's looking smoky, but this is our dinner tonight. Yum. Garlic shrimp, green beans, and some rice. Good job. This looks so delicious.
Thank you.
So that's it for today. Before we go, I wanted to say a quick thank you to Natty and to Crystal for sending me their thoughtful gifts. I'm still wearing these earrings. They are so wonderful. Again, all of that information on where to buy earrings like this from Crystal's shop is down below. And if you're intrigued by that lip balm recipe, that can be found on my Patreon, all of the steps and all of the amounts. And speaking of my Patreon, thank you so much to my patrons, especially my Bubble BFFs. You guys are so generous and so kind. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. But that's it. Let me know in the comments if the idea of a Megan soap is intriguing to you or not. And if you are as excited as I am to see it come to life, watch out for that in a future video. But until then, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and keep making beautiful things, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.